Ivan, welcome to the Coupon Camp. Today we are in Dollar General doing our 5 off 25 Saturday scenarios for 12/21. Let's get to our first deal, and it is detergent. We're going to grab one Persil at $5.95, two all detergents at $5 each, one Crest 3D white at $3, 2.7 ounce, one Febreze Air. It must be the holiday scent. So this one is sea salt and caramel and maple at $3.25. One Palmolive at $2.75. And we're going to look at all the coupons. First, check your 5 off 25. That is your most important coupon right there. Make sure you take that coupon and check it. Okay, let's scan our Crest 3D. It is at $3. And it is a $2 coupon that does not expire till the 22nd. So you actually have into Sunday for this coupon. Let's do the Persil. The Persil is $5.95 and it expires tomorrow. It is a $2 coupon. Let's do the holiday scent. The holiday scent is $3.25 and it has a $2 coupon. That expires tomorrow. Then let's do the all detergent. Let's see. Okay, it is $5. It has a $4 off 2 coupon that expires on the 28th. So you still have some more time for that coupon. Plus, it has a $1 cash back. These two coupons will not work together because they're manufactured coupons. So it will take the coupon off first. Then if you do it again, it'll use the cash back. Then let's do the Palmolive. The Palmolive is $2.75 and it has a $1.50 coupon that expires tomorrow. It also has an offer. You can buy 2 of those and use 2 for $5 and then use the $1.50 coupon. So shop according to your budget, guys. Okay, let's do the math. Okay, the Persil is $5.95. The Febreze holiday scent is $3.25. The Crest 3D is $3. The all detergents are $5 each. And then the Palmolive is $2.75. Takes you to $24.95. Add 5 cents on, guys. I don't care if you have to pick up a piece of lint. Add $5 on, 5 cents plus 5 cents, $25 even. Take your 5 off 25. We're going to take our $2 off our Crest. We're going to take our $2 off our Persil. Take your $2 off of your Febreze. Take your $1.50 off of your Palmolive. And then take your $4 off of your all detergent. Take you to $8.50. Now we have 6 products. Divide that by 6. $1.41. Guys, first of all, you're getting 3 detergents in this deal, and they're $1.41 each. That's a fantastic deal. Great deal. Now, this deal was actually altered because I did not have that $4 Febreze warmer, okay? That's what happens when you don't. You have to alter your deal. So I didn't have a warmer, so that's fine. So I went and picked up this Crest 3D, all right? If I would have had the warmer, it would have been way less. Let's get to our next deal. Okay, guys, let's get to our next deal, and it involves a double doozy. I always tell you this is a double doozy when we have a digital coupon that we're going to use first, and then you're going to take this off and save it for later. This is Arm & Hammer Oxy 7.7 loads at $9.95. Is a $3 coupon. Clip the digital coupon. Take this off for yourself to keep for later. Or grab another one of these if you need more Arm & Hammer. Pick up one Crest 3D White at $3. It's a $2 coupon. We know about that. We're going to pick up 2 Irish Springs at $5.35 each. It is a $5 coupon. Then you're going to pick up 1 Palmolive. $2.75 is a $1.50 coupon, and we already saw that coupon. So we're going to scan these 2 items that we have not scanned, okay? So let's scan the Arm & Hammer. $9.50. I thought it was $9.95. Sorry, guys. And you have a $3 coupon that does not expire until 12/31, New Year's Eve. Then let's do the Irish Spring. Sometimes it don't pick it up. Irish Spring is $5.35, and you have a $5 off 2 coupon that expires tomorrow, Saturday. Remember, this is Friday. I'm doing scenarios, so make sure you get those high value coupons that expire tomorrow and get some good deals out of them. Do the math. The Arm & Hammer is $9.50. The Crest 3D White is $3. The Irish Spring is $5.35 each. And then the Palmolive is $2.75. That takes you to $25.95. Hold on, guys. Let me redo that. Okay, that was correct. I was just making sure. Take your $5 off 25. Take your $1.50 off your Palmolive. Take your $2 off your Crest. Take your $3 off your Arm & Hammer. And take your $5 off your Irish Spring. Leave you at $9.45. Divide that by 5, and you're paying $1.89 each. First of all, I'm paying $1.89 for this Arm & Hammer. Then I got a $2 coupon, which is awesome. Then I got my Irish Spring that I'm paying $1.89 for, that I can put in a gift basket for some guy or a teenager, okay? So that's a great deal. Now, I just told you 2 detergent deals. Let's do another deal. Let's do this last deal right here. You're going to pick up 2 Irish Springs at $5.35 each. It is $5 off 2 coupon. We saw that. $3 Crest 3D White 2.7 ounce. It's a $3. It's $3, $2 coupon. Now, you're going to pick up 3 of the Scott paper towel. 3. You need 3 of them, okay? They're $15. You get an instant coupon of $3, and then we have a $2 coupon. So this is the only thing we're going to scan so that you can see that coupon, okay? There's plenty of deals, guys. Okay, $5. Oh, not on that one. Hold it. I had to get it off my other phone, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. So here it is right here. That is the coupon. It is $2. Manufacturer expire tomorrow, and then you have a offer of spend $15, get $3 off instant. We must cover that instant coupon. So this is why I like to do these deals, to show you how to cover them, okay? So we're going to do the tissue is $5 each, and then we're going to do the Irish Spring is $5.35 each, and then the Crest 3D is $3. $28.70. Now we're over by 70 cents. Remember, we need to go over by $3 from the $25 off in order to cover that $3 instant coupon. That's still considered a Dollar General coupon. Take your $5 off 25. Then take your $3 off that instant coupon. Then take your $2 off the Scott. Then take your $2 off the Crest, and then take your $5 off the Irish Spring. Leave you at $11.70. Divide that by 3, 4, 5, 6, $1.95. You're going to pay $1.95 for a Scott. Now, I know we've been getting this buy one, get one 50% off at Walgreens, but to pay $1.95 for Scott paper towel, all on my 4 count, unless you're going to do the 6 count for $6, okay? Which is $1 per paper towel. So that's $1.95 for 1 4-pack. Divide that by 4 rolls, 48 cents each. 48 cents each. Now let's get into some substitutes. This Lysol air sanitizer $7.35 has a $3 coupon. Let's scan that and look at the coupon. Excuse me, guys. You know I get to dropping when I'm working with one hand. Okay. And $7.35, and here is your $3 coupon. It expires on the 25th of January. You have this Colgate 2-count toothbrush for $2.25. It's a $1 coupon. These are substitutes. $2.25, $1 coupon expires tomorrow. Don't forget to hit up all your expired items. Now, this is an Airwick 5-count refills. Let's do this. Okay, and it is $12. $5 coupon does not expire till the 4th of January. Okay. If you can find a 4-count Energizer batteries, it's a $3 coupon. They're $5. This is the 2-count that's $3.25. It's a $1 coupon. The Olay Cleanse is $5.50. It is a $2 coupon. I love this. It works very well, guys. Okay. Then you have the Cottonelle that's $5. It is a $1 coupon. You also have Angel Soft that's $5, $5.95. That has a $1 coupon. So pick what you need for your family and your budget, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back on this aisle because I want to show you something. If you can find the Airwick Advanced Plug-In Warmer, they're $4. It's a $4 coupon. She does not have any in this store, okay? So if you could find that coupon is going to push you over. Today, I was kind of happy I couldn't find it because that helped me to do deals without that free coupon, and they turned out fantastic. So make sure you work your deals with or without high value coupons, okay?